friends, my name is Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY craft with little bit of imagination. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make business card holder. But before that, let me tell you that this video I dedicate to two persons, Handmade with Love by Words and Crafts King. They have inspired and motivated me to make this. They made me fall in love with scrapbooking. So few days back, I bought few materials and I started creating stuff out of it. Hope you all will love watching and supporting me. I know they both are genius, but do comment below your feelings, suggestion or tips. So without wasting time, let's get started. This tool is from VR Memory Keeper. It's very easy to use. I'm using this double-side cardstock combining with red cardstock. For the base, I'm using this red cardstock. Place this card here and now measure 6.5 inches and trim it. Rotate and measure 4.25 inches and trim it. So now you have this piece with 6.5 inches by 4.25 inches. Now flip it over like this. Place your card against this zero mark and take your scoring knife, which is stored here, and score on long side 2 inches and 4 inches. 2 and 4 inches. This will look like this. Give a nice crease like this. Take red cardstock, place it here and measure 4.25 inches and trim it this way. Turn it and measure 3 inches and trim it. So now we have 4.25 inches by 3 inches. Here I am using this border punch from Dress My Craft. Looks beautiful. Now I am going to take this pattern paper for the front panel and measure 4.25 inches by 2.5 inches and trim it. This you are going to paste it here with double side tape. Here I am using Forever in Time. It's very easy to use, or you can use white glue. Paste it this way, press it. Now here, apply double side tape and fix it this way. Press it. Now for the box, you need to trim 2.5 inches by 5 inches. Now for scoring, 1/2 inch from each end along the long side and 1 inch from each side along the short side. It will look this way. Now you are going to cut here with scissor. Carefully cut this way on both the side. Here it goes. Now press it, give a crease here this way on all 4 sides. Fold it this way. This will look like a box. Now apply double-sided tape and fold it this way. Press it. Same, repeat it. Yeah, it look this way. Now cut a small piece of pattern paper and paste it here. With double side tape, press it. We are going to paste this way here. Here I had this beautiful flower button and adjust and attach this with tacky glue like this. Now paste this box here with double side tape. Press it. Yeah, your business card holder is ready. Vodry and Joban, hope I did a good job. I know that I can't compete with you guys, but tried my best. Friends, do comment how did you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. See you soon. Till then, namaste.